Hey guys, Tony here, good morning. So I did want to do a quick TA on LossLess. Personally, right now, I think that there's a very strong chance that it dips to $1.35. Right now, we are creating a bear trigger, and it will be finished creating, or actually happen, in about an hour and 26 minutes. Keep in mind though, if this channel or if this symmetrical actually breaks to the upside, then I can definitely see us running to 260. The hour right now is about to break bullish, so I want to see how strong that hour push, that hour bull cycle is to the upside. If it's nice and strong and we break that channel, fantastic. I think we're going to 260. But keep in mind, the 4 hour, right, looks like we're going to close bearish, and also the daily also looks like we're going to close bearish. So unless we have like a really nice move to the upside, right now, you know, there's a stronger chance, or there's a bigger probability that we're dropping to 135 as opposed to running to 260 and breaking the symmetrical triangle to the upside. So it really is kind of a 50-50 move here. Either that triangle gets broken and we run to 260, or we follow suit with regular momentum as it is now, create that bearish trigger on the 4 hour, and we basically drop to 135. Because it seems like we are getting to the end of this, and one way or another, we're either gonna run to 260 and keep pushing up, or we're gonna drop down to 135. As of right now, I am bearish on LossLess dropping to 135, strictly because the higher time frames are showing, you know, a bigger bias towards a bear move. Again, I'm not saying it will, because there's definitely things that can happen that can, you know, make this break the symmetrical triangle and us break to the upside. But as of right now, I am biased towards LossLess going back to 135. That's just what I'm seeing right now is the likelihood of happening. But again, I can't really say much until we actually break you know, bearish on the 4 hour, and you know, we wait for that 1 hour to get filled. But even then, the 1 hour is going to close in about 24 minutes, you know, and it went from, you know, trying to close a bullish trigger on the 1 hour to, you know, to going away, and it's not showing that little red bubble anymore. And keep in mind, you know, the reverse MACD tracks the momentum of the candles. So if one candle is, you know, a full 100%, the next one is like, you know, 80% of growth, the next one is 50%, the next one is 20%. That's how you can track momentum, and that's how you know the reverse MACD acts. And it's basically going like, oh, okay, we're starting to see a lot of weakening happening. Be careful, because all this weakened momentum is definitely telling us that it can reverse and drop the other way down. So as of right now, it's perfectly respecting every single instance of, you know, the symmetry of the trends, right, of the uptrend and the low trend, and basically creating the symmetrical triangle. But again, I do think that, you know, if we close bearish the next hour and 20 minutes, I feel like we're going to go down to 135. We'll see what happens. There's a lot of things going on right now. So, you know, if we close bear on the higher time frames, I think we're dropping to 135. And we somehow manage to push really hard on the hour and the 30-minute, then I think we can go to 260. But right now, I think I'm a little bit more biased towards LossLess heading down back to 135 or so. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.